Hi and welcome to Enhancement 8 submission video. This week we added products to the categories and information on those products. You can see if I click on one of these products, it displays a small list of the products that are under that category. You can see that it is dynamic. As the list gets bigger, they auto-populate. You can see as I shrink it down, it auto-fits to the right size of the screen. You can see that the whole item is clickable, the picture and the name. So if we wanted to click on this, you can also see that it is pulling up the name, the picture, and the details about this item, and the price at the bottom. You can see this page is also dynamic and auto fits.
How dare you?
You can see that it is valid CSS, and then we'll validate this page as HTML. And there's no warnings. If we go back to the listing of the products and do the HTML of this page, you can also see that it has no warnings. And that's it.